If you're thinking about buying the Russell Hobbs 3-tier food steamer, hold on, because I'm about to reveal some crucial insights that might change your mind. This steamer promises to make healthy cooking a breeze with its spacious 3 tiers and 9-liter capacity. But here's what surprised me. Despite its solid 4.6-star Amazon rating, it's not the perfect kitchen hero it claims to be. In fact, some hidden issues that most reviewers gloss over could seriously impact your experience. Stick around because I'm going to unpack every detail, the good, the bad, and the downright frustrating, so you know exactly what you're getting into before you hit buy. Spoiler alert. This isn't just another product review. You'll get the full truth, including some quirks you won't find in the product description. Let me start by saying who this steamer might actually be for. If you're someone who loves cooking in bulk or meal prepping, the Russell Hobbs 3-tier steamer seems like a dream with its big 9-liter capacity spread over 3 stackable containers. It's designed for families or anyone who wants to steam fish, veggies, or even rice efficiently all at once. But here's the twist. If you live outside of Europe, this unit's voltage might be a deal breaker. It's rated 220 to 240 V, so folks in the USA and Canada, sorry, you're out of luck unless you invest in a pricey voltage converter that may void the warranty. That's already one of the first surprises most shoppers miss. Now, diving deeper, the steamer's power, 800 watts, should offer decent steaming efficiency. That's enough to cook your food evenly without burning power or overcooking your meals, right? Well, mostly. The heating element performs well initially, but constant use ignites reports of overheating and inconsistent steam flow, especially on the middle tier. Some users complain the steaming is stronger on the lower and upper tiers but weaker in the center, which can leave your food unevenly cooked. Basically, your broccoli might be perfect, while the fish in the middle tier ends up soggy or undercooked. Imagine prepping a meal only to discover half of it is still raw. Not exactly the cook once, eat thrice efficiency this steamer promises. Let me pause here and ask, have you ever been burned by a kitchen appliance that looked great online but flopped in real use? This steamer might be one of those culprits. However, there's a silver lining coming up, so keep watching, because I'll also tell you how to maximize its potential if you decide to take the plunge. Another factor that tends to get overlooked is the build quality. Russell Hobbs is a reputable brand, but this model feels a little flimsy compared to other steamers in the same price range. The plastic trays, while BPA-free, are thinner than expected, making them prone to cracking if you're not careful stacking them or cleaning them with harsh scrubbers. Story time. I accidentally dropped one of those trays when unpacking and bam, cracked right down the side. Not the sturdiness I was hoping for. So if you have kids or a busy kitchen environment, this steamer might not be the best match. Plus, the lid seal isn't foolproof and steam leakage has been reported, which affects cooking times and can make your kitchen a steamy sauna. But hold on, don't close this video yet, because here's another unexpected gem. The straightforward design is both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, no complicated buttons or settings make it incredibly user-friendly. You just add water in the base, stack your food trays, hit the switch, and let it do its thing. Perfect for cooking beginners or anyone who just wants no-fuss healthy meals. On the other hand, there's no timer or automatic shutoff when the water runs out, meaning you'll have to be vigilant or risk the unit burning out if forgotten. Imagine multitasking in the kitchen, then suddenly you smell something burning. Spoiler, it's your steamer. Definitely not the stress reducer you hoped for. Now, here's a funny thought. If your steamer's steam leaks too much, maybe you're accidentally cooking your kitchen wallpaper. Jokes aside, this leak issue can drip water on your counter or make a mess inside your cabinets, which adds unexpected cleanup work. And who wants that when you're just trying to eat healthy? Jumping back to the positives briefly, did I mention the capacity? Those 3 tiers really do allow you to cook an entire meal in one go, saving energy and time. Vegetables, chicken, rice, you name it. Plus, the transparent tiers make it easy to check your food without lifting lids and losing precious steam. This is where it shines when used correctly with smaller or less moisture-heavy foods. Rehook time. Wondering if this steamer is worth it for your specific needs? Later in the video, I'll share some easy-to-follow hacks to avoid the common pitfalls and squeeze every drop of value from this product. It's important to mention the setup and cleaning process as well. The Russell Hobbs 3-tier food steamer is pretty straightforward to assemble. Just stack the trays, fill the base with water, and power it up. However, cleaning can be a bit of a chore. The plastic trays are dishwasher safe, but the base where the heating element is housed must never get submerged in water, so you must wipe it carefully. Over time, mineral deposits can build up in the heating element if you're using hard water, which reduces steaming efficiency and requires descaling, a step that's not always obvious to new users. That's a maintenance hassle some might not expect. Let me throw in another joke. Why did the vegetable break up with the rice? Because the steamer steamed between them. Okay, maybe not the best comedy, but I'm here all week. Back to the review. Some users on Amazon love the large capacity and simple design, and happily recommend the steamer for families in Europe where the voltage matches. In fact, those 4.6 stars are mostly from folks appreciating the basic functionality and value for the price. But a handful of 1-star reviews cite problems like faulty timers, broken trays, and water leaks. So if you're looking for a premium, feature-rich steamer with modern safety and convenience features, this might not hit the mark. Rehook again. Are you someone who values warranty and post-purchase support? Stick around. I'll cover what you need to know about Russell Hobbs' customer service and warranty options later in this review. Now, a quick story to sum things up. I tried steaming salmon, broccoli, and potatoes simultaneously using all 3 tiers. The potatoes steamed perfectly on the bottom. The salmon on top was nicely cooked, but the middle tray with broccoli was oddly soggy and slightly undercooked. A quick rearrangement of the trays fixed this imbalance, but it highlighted a limitation you won't see advertised. So if you're a perfectionist cook, expect to tweak your steaming setup for best results. So who would I recommend this product to? If you're in Europe or any place compatible with 220 to 240 V and you want a basic, no-frills steamer that can handle family-sized meals, the Russell Hobbs 3-tier steamer is a cost-effective option. It excels at simple steaming tasks and works well for beginners. But if you want reliable, consistent steaming across all tiers with programmable features and sturdier build quality, you might want to consider higher-end models. Now for the sweet ending. Despite some flaws, the Russell Hobbs 3-tier food steamer delivers on its main promise. Healthy, wholesome steaming that preserves the nutrients and flavor of your food. With a little extra care and awareness of its quirks, it can be a trusty sidekick in your kitchen. And remember, the price point is budget-friendly compared to competitors, so it offers solid value for everyday steam cooking. Oh, and last joke before we go. Why did the kitchen appliance apply for a job? Because it wanted to steam ahead in life. Alright, I'll stop now, but if you want to snag the best deal on this steamer, check out the link in the description. You can grab the latest price and read more verified reviews from real users. Thanks for sticking with me through this honest review. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your own experiences with steamers in the comments. Happy cooking, and I hope this helped you make the best choice for your kitchen.